upload your documents to earn up to $10 per document view. You can upload these documents in all languages. Upload 41 documents and everything is approved. As you can see right here, 0 decline and 0 pending. So you know how much this can make me in the online space. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can upload your document to this website and you will make $10 per document viewed. So if you want to get to know how this is going to work, smash the subscribe button and let's get down to the video. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Black Ozula right here again. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can make money by just uploading documents to online space and you get up to $10 per document view. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. Give this video a like and share it to your friends. So anytime I upload a new video like this, it will be the first one that YouTube will notify that I've dropped a new update for you. So let's get to 500 subscribers before this month of September runs to an end. So we can do it, and I believe do that. So with that being said, let's get down to today's video. Like I said earlier, we want to upload documents to earn up to $10 per document view. So if I come over right here and I click on sell document, you will see what will come up. We have this page like this. So if I click on my uploads right here, I want to show you how far I have here. So as you can see, I have $40 for 4 documents sold right here. As you can see, I have a lot of documents right here that I have not edited. As you can see right here, that's why it's showing that emergency. So now if I click on withdraw earnings, I want to show you the next page. As you can see, they said minimum amount of withdrawal is $50, and as you can see, my total balance is just $40 and I have the available balance of $40. So there are different kind of ways like you can use to withdraw your money, but we are not going there now. I'm going to explain everything in this video, but calm down, let me show you how you are going to submit your documents and how you are going to get it approved so you can make the real money for yourself. First off, this website is called Studypool. So I have the link to this website in the in the description below, so you can click that to get access to this website. So you need to do is to create your account. It's just something simple. Create your account with your name, and then you come into this dashboard like this. You click on sell documents at the top, so you can now upload your file. So now let me walk you through the process. What are the files you want to upload? As you can see, what to upload: quiz, exam prep, practice test, exam prep materials, and study guides can be a helpful resource for students. So all that means is just like maybe your old past question or exam prep that you know that you have. So you are going to submit it to this website and they are going to pay you anytime a student check it out. So like I said, he said our top contributor, he said Animatch, as you can see, $93,882, and you can see Parmesan, so it's doing 91,900, and by just uploading documents. And they said earn passive income of up to 5,000 USD a month. We share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student view one, as you can see. So you can upload your past question, old assignments, class notes in any language of your choice. So for instance, you are in university and you bought some manual or exam prep or some tutorial books like that, so you can use that to make money. Even your secondary school notes, you can still use that to make money. All you need to do is to scan everything, convert it to PDF, then you come over to this website called Studypool. So you submit it and you get paid anytime a student view one. You can see. So right here, right now, I want to show you how to upload and get it approved. So for instance, I have a recent past question that I need to put on here. As you can see, okay, let me look for it. I have this water and waste water treatment SL407. That's my department. So I'm going to upload this right here. As you can see, in a few seconds it's going to upload, and I'm going to show you how to detail these. And as you can see, it's done. So I click OK right here. So you can see now they said documents received. I said okay. As you can see, they said I have one pending document. So if I come over right here to this pending document, you can see it's processing. Once it's approved, I will have the opportunity to edit and provide it. So let me show you my uploads right here. So from my uploads right here, let me show you this like this. Now I've not tried to profile it. As you can see, all this like you are seeing with the red exclamation mark, I've not profile it. So all I need to do now is to click on this. We put the title, the school. So I'm going to put Adoke Akintola University. So if you put it out like this, then you're going to select the subject, like maybe mathematics. Calculus is mathematics, so you can put that tag as much as you like calculus, put calculus, maths. You can save like as much tag as you can, then you save and update. So once you complete that, it's going to tell study pool to take it up and categorize it like that. So as you can see, everything is done. Here's it, calculus, as you can see. So I still have different kind of notes that I've not profiled, as you can see. So I have a lot right here, and I still have a lot to do. So now the next thing I want to show you is how to withdraw your money. So now you know how to upload your document. So the next thing I want to show you is how to withdraw your money if you've earned. The very first thing you need to do now is to click on sell documents right here if you want to place your withdrawal. So you come over to your uploads. So once you get to your uploads this way, then you click. Once you get to your upload, you can see withdraw earnings. You can just click that from here. So withdraw earnings, and it's going to show you different payment method. You can see Pioneer. You can use Pioneer to sign up an account and to receive your payments. I mean, if you don't know how to set up Pioneer, it's just something simple. Put in your mail and fill in your details. The link to set up Pioneer will be in the description below. And you can use PayPal. You can use PayPal if PayPal is allowed in your country. And if you want to know how to set up a verified PayPal account in Nigeria, or and how to make money with PayPal, something like that, by setting it up for people, I have the tutorial course in the description below. That will be the second link to PayPal Mastery 101. So you can click on that to get access to the course, and you learn everything you need to know about PayPal. I have a running PayPal that I use here in Nigeria, and it's working pretty fine. So the next thing you can use to withdraw your money is Wise, as you can see right here. And the other thing is Western Union. If that ACH deposit is allowed, and you have check, M-Pesa. So all these payment method is available, but the one I do use is Pioneer and PayPal. I use Pioneer and PayPal, but most times Pioneer, you get, depends on the amount I want to withdraw. So that's how it's going to work. So the very first thing now, if you don't have a Pioneer account, you will see the Pioneer sign up link in the description below. Click on that and you learn. If you need a PayPal account, you will see PayPal Mastery 101 course link in the description below as well. So click on that to get access to check out the course, and you learn everything inside, from how you can get your money out and all those kind of stuff, how you can use your money to trade USDT, Bitcoin, all the kind of stuff. So you will learn inside the course. That's just it about that. The other way to make money on this website is by becoming a tutor. You answer question. As you can see, if I click on become a tutor right here, so you need to answer question for students, and then you're going to make money. Like I see, this account goes by when I'm trying to use AI to set this account up. So in few video of mine, the next So I'm going to walk you through the process, how you're going to set up another account on Studypool by just how to make money with Studypool by just answering questions for students. As you can see, I just use this account to Textron something so I can know what to show you. So that's how it works. So if I click on login right here, you can see I have multiple accounts and every account have its own work. So in the next video that I'm going to make, I'm going to show you how you can do this and you can earn up to let me show you what you should be expecting. What you should be expecting as this. Okay, you can see earn money answering homework questions. You earn up to 7,500 USD monthly working from home tutoring students. So it's going to be a team. So if you get any best value from this video, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends so we can grow together. With that being said, Black Hustler is signing out. Cheers.